Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unique Bundle. Today I'm going to show you how you can practice your typing online. Let's get back to straight to the point. First of all, open Google Chrome. Open the search bar and type online typing test. Hit enter. Open the first one here, free typing test, and then here you can see there are many different timing like 1 minute test, 3 minute test, and 5 minute test. For now, I gonna open 1 minute test. Open it up. They will give you a paragraph. So once you start typing, they will set the timer for 1 minute. So when 1 minute is over, your typing will stop automatically. So for now, let me try how many words I can type in a minute. Alright, here you can see I finished my 1 minute typing. So I have typed 55 words per minute. So with 96% accuracy. So this is my result, and even if you are beginner, you can start typing from here, and that will surely improve your skill. So I hope you learned something new today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon of my channel for upcoming video. Thank you very much for watching.